So let's start with question number 24. Question number 24 says, if cos a plus 2b equal to 0, a plus 2b, that value lies between 0 and 90, and cos b minus a equal to root 3 by 2, where b minus a value lies between 0 and 90, then find cosec 2a plus b and show your work. So let's start. First we'll write cos a plus 2b equal to 0. Now, when does cos cos theta become equal to 0? When theta value is equal to 90, cos 90 is equal to 0. This much we know already. So, can I equate now that this a plus 2b is equal to 90 degree? Yes, we can do that now because cos a plus 2b equal to 0. So, a plus 2b, this entire expression should be equal to 90 degree. Similarly, cos b minus a is root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. If this is equal to root 3 by 2, now if we go back and look, then when is cos theta equal to root 3 by 2? It's when cos theta value is cos 30, right? Theta is 30, that is the time. So now I can equate both of these. B minus a equal to 30 degrees. Okay, this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Now I can use this, I can add them up so that I can find the value of one of the either a or b's value. So let's adding equation 1 and 2. What will we get? Let's add them up. A plus 2b equal to 90 degree. This is the first equation. Next equation is b minus, okay, right, let me write here, minus a plus b. Okay, just interchanged with the signs intact. A ke pehle minus tha, I have kept the minus here and then 30 degree here. Now what will be the value of a minus a? It will be 0. This will get cancelled out. 2b plus b will be 3b. And this side what will we get? 120 degrees, right? 120 degrees. So this implies what is the value of b? B value is 120 divided by 3, which is b equal to 40 degrees. So we now found the value of b. Similarly, we can put this value, substitute the value in one of the equations. Let's substituting the value b equal to 40 degrees in equation, let's say equation 2 we substitute. We get here a is equal to, from this equation we know a will be equal to b minus 30. So I write it down directly, b minus 30, which means 40 minus 30. This means 10. So a we got now is 10 degrees. Okay. So both the values we found, b equal to 40, a equal to 10. Now we can substitute this to find this value of 2a plus b. What will be the value of 2a plus b now? 2 multiplied by 10 and b will be 40, which will be 20 plus 40. It makes 2a plus b equal to 60 degree. Now just we need to write cosec 2a plus b. Therefore, cosec 2a plus b equal to cosec of 60 degrees. What is the value of cosec of 60 degree? It is just ulta of sine 60, right? 1 by sine 60. So it is 2 by root 3 because sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. So this is the final value of cosec 2a plus b. 2 by root 3. End of question number 24. Let's start with question number 24, second option. There are two options, either or. First question we did. Now we'll move to the second question. Question says, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for them. Now first is, as the value of sin theta increases, the value of tan theta decreases. 2 is, when the value of sin theta is maximum, the value of cosec theta is maximum. So let's start with question number 1. One says as the value of sine theta increases, the value of tan theta decreases. Now what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So where is sine theta in this? It's in the numerator. If it is in the numerator, then it definitely means when sine theta value increases, it will make the value of tan theta increase because it is in the numerator. This much we should be very clear by now since we are in grade 10. So if sine theta decreases, at the same time tan theta will also decrease. This means sine theta is value of sine theta is directly proportional to the value of tan theta. Let's see how. Let's take sine 0. Sine 0 degrees. What is the value? 0. That time what is the value of tan 0? Tan 0 is also 0. Now let's take sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? It is half. Now what is half in decimal? 0.5. That time what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 that time is somewhere like 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 will be roughly 0.57 something. So when sin 30 का वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है, tan 30 का वैल्यू भी थोड़ा बढ़ा. Now let's see sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Sin 60's value is root 3 by 2, which means 1.732 divided by 2. What is the value? 0.866, right? उस वक्त क्या है? tan का वैल्यू? tan का वैल्यू है that time root 3. 1.732. Sin 90? Sin 90 is 1. What is the value that time of tan 90? Tan 90 is infinite. So definitely when the value of sine is increasing, we did not put the value of sine 45. Sine 45 is in between somewhere. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, whatever it is in decimal. Tan 45 what it is? Tan 45 is 1. Definitely from 0.57 we can see there is a jump. There is a jump in the value. Tan 45 1 हो गया है. So definitely जब sin theta का value बढ़ रहा है उस वक्त tan theta का value बढ़ रहा है. But here the question is saying the value of tan theta decreases. So this statement is false. We gave a long explanation of why the sin theta value will increase with the increase of tan theta and it will decrease with the decrease of sin theta value will decrease and at the same time tan theta will decrease. We just gave the explanation for this. So the question 1 is false. Now let's move to question 2. Question 2 says when the value of sin theta is maximum, the value of cosec theta is maximum. Now when is sin theta value maximum? What is the value for which it is maximum? When theta equal to 90 degree, right? Sin 90 is 1. That's the maximum value. What is cosec 90? Cosec 90 will also be 1 by sin 90. It's all obviously it will be 1. So yes, obviously the value when the value of sin theta is maximum, the value of cosec theta is maximum. This is true. So option 2 for question number 24 is true because sin 90 is 1. That's the maximum value. This is the max value. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है मतलब value for sine. That time cosec 90 is 1. So this is the maximum value. Both become max for the same theta value. So obviously the option 2 for question number 24 is correct. True. Let's start with question number 25. Question number 25 says a 3.5 centimeter chord subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center of a circle. So this is the center, roughly this is the center of the circle and this chord, let's name it AB, is subtending of length 3.5 centimeter, is subtending an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. What is the arc length of the minor sector? Now this is the minor sector. This entire is the minor sector and the question is asking the arc length of this sector, AB's value. Draw a rough figure and show your work. And pi's value has been given to us as 22 by 7. Now let's write the value of arc length. Not the value but the formula, arc length of any sector, of a sector. what is it? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, theta's value has been given to us in the given 60. Now we can aram se put it. 22 by 7 has been given for the pi's value, r value. Now radius, what is the radius value here? We can find out how. Let's see. We know OA and OB. Okay, OA and OB, the two ends of the chord, A and B. A and B are at the circumference, and these two lines OA and AB are also ending at the circumference. So these two are the radius. So if these two are radius, OA and OB, then they are equal to each other. Now if they are equal to each other, it means this angle, this triangle, these two sides will be equal. We know isosceles property, that if these two sides are same, then the angles opposite to them will be of same measure. So now if these two are same, let's take the value of angle A and B be of x degrees. Both are same, so I have taken them as x degrees. Then by the triangle angle sum theory, triangle angle sum क्या होता है? Angle A in this triangle, in triangle AOB, angle A plus angle B plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. Now instead of angle O, I can write 60 degree, and instead of A and B we can put x, so it will become 2x plus 60 is equal to 180. So this implies 2x is equal to 120, 180 minus 60, 120, and then x value will be 120 by 2, which is 60 degrees. Okay, so now we know this is 60, this is 60. So this triangle is now, instead of an isosceles, we find that this is a, what kind of triangle? Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all angles are same, 60, 60, 60. Then this sides are also same of an equilateral triangle. If sides are same, if AB is 3.5 centimeter, then OA and OB also will be of 3.5 centimeter each, right? Because equilateral triangle have the same length of sides as well as same angles, same angle measure. So now 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, we have found the value of the radius. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now we can put it here, 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now there is no space here. Still, let me make an arrow like this and solve it here. So 60 by 360 multiplied by 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. 6 here 60. I divide with 360. 66 are 360. So 61s are 60. 66 are 360. This 7 will get divided with this. 7 5s are 35. So 0.5 here. Then 2 11s are 22. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 5, it will be 10. 10 एक decimal point है तो 1 हो जाएगा. So it will become 11 by 11 on the top. This became 1, and here at the denominator there is 3. So 11 by 3 centimeters. You can change it to decimal or keep it like this, your wish. So this will be the arc length AB for this particular question number 25. So all questions are not difficult. This question is very simple. Just you need to put the formula. Only thing you need to see is what will be the radius. Radius comes out very easily. Now let's start with question number 25. Question number 25 says a semicircle MON is inscribed in another semicircle. This is a smaller semicircle inscribed inside a larger semicircle. Radius OL of the largest semicircle is 6 centimeter. So radius has been given to us. This is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded segment in terms of pi. This is the shaded segment which has been given in the question in terms of pi. So we don't need to find the actual absolute value. We just need to find in terms of pi. Draw rough figure and show your work. So if I join this O and N, and then again I join M and O, will these two not be the radius of this larger circle? Yes, they will be, because this is center of this larger circle and N and M are on the circumference of this larger circle. सो ये रेडियस अगर बन गया, अगर ओ एल इज 6 सेंटीमीटर, देन दिस इज ऑल्सो 6 सेंटीमीटर ओ एन, एंड सिमिलरली ओ एम इज ऑल्सो 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी गॉट दैट इफ यू जॉइन दिस कॉर्ड, ये जो कॉर्ड है इसके ये पॉइंट्स अगर हम जॉइन कर लें, एंड पॉइंट्स अगर जॉइन कर ले टू द center, then they will be of 6 centimeter length. Now we had read a theorem which I have already written in grade 9 or class 9, which said that angle subtended by a diameter or semicircle on any point of a circle is 90 degree. So this is the diameter of the smaller circle. Mn is the diameter of the smaller semicircle. Now these 2 points which are these 2 lines which are joining at the center O, they will subtend, and means this diameter then will subtend an angle of 90 degree here on the center O. According to the theorem that we had studied in class 9, angle subtended by a diameter on any point of a circle is 90 degree. So this is now 90 degree. Now we know this angle. Now can we not find the area of this entire sector MON? ये पूरा sector का area हम निकाल सकते हैं. We know the value of theta which is used in the formula. अगर फिर उसके बाद मैं ये ट्रायंगल का भी निकाल दूँ, MON, ये ट्रायंगल भी बनता है, ये ट्रायंगल का भी एरिया निकाल दूँ और उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूँ ये पूरे सेक्टर के एरिया से, तो मुझे ये शेडेड रीजन मिल जाएगा. मतलब व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, इफ आई फाइंड एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर MON, ये जो पूरा ये एक 90 डिग्री एंगल बन के ये जो एक सेक्टर बना है, मैं क्या करूं, उससे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लूँगी एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल MON. अच्छा, ये है ट्रायंगल, राइट, ट्रायंगल MON. अगर मैं ये पूरे सेक्टर के एरिया से इतना रिमूव कर दूं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लूँ, so what will I left with? I will be left with this particular region, this region जो कि मुझे shaded region मिला है in the question. So if I subtract area of sector MON from this area of triangle MON, then we will get the shaded regions area. So first, what is the formula for finding area of sector MON? Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is the radius? Radius we know is 6 centimeter. Radius of the sector is 6 centimeter because this is also the radius of the larger semicircle. So all these values are there. Theta value will be 90 because this is the diameter subtending, always subtends a 90 degree angle on any point of a circle. So this is done. 90 is known, r square is known. Now what is area of this triangle MON? Half base into height. Base into height is 6 and 6. राइट, दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, तो उसका बेस कितना है, 6 सेंटीमीटर है, बेस कितना है 6 सेंटीमीटर है और हाइट कितना है 6 सेंटीमीटर है. सो आई कैन नाउ यूज ऑल द दिस थिंग वैल्यूज दैट आई नो एंड पुट इन दिस फॉर्मूला. सो व्हाट इट विल बी 90 by 360. मुझे पाई का वैल्यू नहीं डालना है बिकॉज आई नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाई. सो आई एम नॉट पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई, आई जस्ट नीड टू सब्सटीट्यूट हियर the value of r is 6 square, half into, sorry, this is subtraction, minus, okay, minus half into 6 into 6. So 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, right? Then क्या बच गया, 6 square by 4 minus 6 square by 2, right? So what it will be, यहाँ pi है, so what it will be, सो ये हो गया 36 by 4 पाई, ये हो गया 36 by 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 2 ones are 2, 2 18 is equal to 36. So the final value came up to be 9 pi minus 18. In terms of pi, we need to leave the answer. So answer for question number 25 is 9 pi minus 18. This is the area of the shaded segment in the question. With question number 27, if m and n are zeros of the polynomial 3x square minus x minus 2, find the values of the following without factorizing the polynomial. So what is the polynomial? 3x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. And what are the zeros? M and n. So first we need to find 1 by m and 1 by n. So before we find this, हम पहले थोड़ा रिवाइंड करके समझ लेते हैं. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the polynomial and the roots are alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta क्या होता है? माइनस b by a होता है. अल्फा इंटू बीटा क्या होता है? c by a होता है. राइट ये है हमारा जीरोज ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल, प्रोडक्ट एंड एडिशन ऑफ दो जीरोज. सो इस बेसिस पे मुझे यहाँ पर m प्लस n पहले मैं देख लूँ कितना है. रूट्स तो ये दिया गया है m प्लस n, m एंड n. तो m प्लस n कितना होगा? यहाँ पर a का वैल्यू कितना है? a वैल्यू इज 3, b का वैल्यू -1 और c का वैल्यू कितना है? -2. सो m प्लस 1 विल बी माइनस b by a, which is minus of -1 by 3. Yes, so it will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and then m into n. वो कितना होगा? It will be c by a. c का वैल्यू कितना है? -2 है. I have written over here -2. So I'll put -2 and then 3, a का वैल्यू 3 है. So this is the value of mn. Now from here, if I do this, if I add it like normal fraction, what it will be? N plus m by mn. So what is the value of n plus m? N plus n is 1 by 3. And what is the value of mn? -2 by 3. So I just divide -2 by 3. Now I need to just do the reciprocal. Reciprocal करने से क्या होगा? 3 cancel out हो जाएगा. 3 1 3, 3 1 3 होके कैंसिल हो. तो आंसर क्या आया? -1 by 2. राइट. सो वैल्यू ऑफ 1 by m plus 1 by n we got is -1 by 2. This is the answer for question number 1. It is very simple question. Only thing is that we should be thorough with whatever we have studied. Then this is very easy. Now here it's m square plus n square. Now what is m square plus n square? We know this formula. M plus n whole square minus 2mn equal to m square plus n square. How it is? Because m plus n square is equal to how much? M square plus n square plus 2mn. तो अगर मैं ये -2mn को इस साइड ले जाऊंगी, -2mn बना दूंगी, तो m square plus n square का वैल्यू मुझे मिल जाएगा. So let's do the same thing here. We'll write m plus n square minus 2mn. m plus n कितना है मेरा यहाँ पर? m plus n we just found is 1 by 3. So we'll substitute the value here. 1 by 3 whole square minus 2. 2 into -2 by 3. mn value is -2 by 3. So it's 1 by 9 plus 4 by 3. LCM is 9. Here comes 1 and here it will be 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? So it will be 13 by 9. What will be the value of m square plus n square? Finally it is 13 by 9. This is the answer for question number 27. 2 13 by 9 and 1 is -1 by 2. So let's start with question number 26. Question number 26 says the LCM of 6 to the power 4, 8 square and k is 12 to the power 4, where k is a positive integer. Find the smallest value of k and show your steps. Now let's just look back at LCM. LCM of any given numbers. What is it actually? Definition क्या है? LCM of any given numbers is equal to product of its prime factors. जो भी prime factors constitute करते हैं वो numbers को, उनका product. बट क्या है? सिर्फ नॉर्मली नहीं, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द प्राइम फैक्टर्स विद देयर हाईएस्ट पावर. ओके, जहाँ पर भी हाईएस्ट पावर का मिलेगा, जिस नंबर में भी हाईएस्ट पावर का मिलेगा, वो एलसीएम में आ जाएगा. मतलब क्या है? सपोज आई टेक 8 and 16. आई आस्क यू टू फाइंड द एलसीएम फॉर दीज टू. तो 8 क्या है? 8 इज इक्वल टू 2 क्यूब. और 16 क्या है? 16 इज इक्वल टू 2 to the power 4. नाउ ये 2 क्यूब है, ये 2 to the power 4 है और कोई प्राइम फैक्टर इसमें है नहीं अदर देन 2. तो हाईएस्ट पावर का कहाँ पर मिलेगा? 8 में या 16 में? डेफिनेटली वी कैन सी इट इज हियर 2 to the power 4. So LCM of 8, 16 will be 2 to the power 4, मतलब 16 ही बन जाएगा. So if कोई और ऐसा नंबर हो जिसमें कोई और प्राइम फैक्टर हो, तो जो हाईएस्ट पावर जहां भी होगा वो LCM में चला जाएगा, एंड LCM विल बिकम मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दोज प्राइम फैक्टर्स विद द हाईएस्ट पावर. सो ये है डेफिनेशन ऑफ LCM ऑफ एनी गिवन नंबर्स. तो हमें क्या क्या नंबर दिए गए हैं? 6 टू द पावर 4. 6 टू द पावर 4 को मैं उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिख लेती हूँ. क्या है? 2 into 3 makes 6 एंड देयर इज अ 4 आउटसाइड इन द एक्सपोनेंट. उसके बाद 8 स्क्वायर. 8 स्क्वायर क्या होगा? 8 क्या है? एक्चुअली 2 क्यूब होल टू द पावर स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली हमें दिया गया है LCM दिया गया है. LCM इज LCM ऑफ विच नंबर्स? फर्स्ट लेट मी राइट. 6 टू द पावर 4, 8 स्क्वायर और k, जिसका वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करना है. इस सब का मिला के LCM हो रहा है 12 टू द पावर 4. नाउ व्हाट इज 12 एक्चुअली? If you reduce it to its prime factors, it is 3 into 4. 4 कोई prime factor है नहीं, so it is 2 square, right? Which makes the 12. And बाहर एक 4 है exponent में. So now ये अगर मैं इसको ये ब्रैकेट निकाल दूँ, it will be 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 2 to the power 6. मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा एक्सपोनेंट्स, 6 हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? 3 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 2 4s are 8, राइट? ये हो जाएगा LCM. तो ये जो हमने अभी डेफिनेशन ये पढ़ा, प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स विल हैव विद देयर हाईएस्ट पावर, उस हिसाब से 3 to the power 4 LCM में आ गया है फ्रॉम 6. फ्रॉम 6 वी हैव गॉट this 6 to the power 4, not 6 to the power 4 we have got 3 to the power 4 in the LCM. But 2 to the power 8, let's search, is it there in 8 square? No, 2 to the power 6 है. 6 to the power 4 में क्या है? 2 to the power 4 है. So मतलब 2 to the power 8 यहाँ से भी नहीं है आया, यहाँ से भी नहीं आया, तो डेफिनेटली k will be equal to 2 to the power 8. तभी तो LCM of these three जो भी numbers हैं, it has got 2 to the power 8 in the LCM. So what is 2 to the power 8? If we break it, 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4, it will be 16 into 16, which is 256. So finally k value will be 256. It's a positive integer, and it is the value for question number 26. If you want to watch more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Siddhi Academics. Thank you.